Hey there, tea lovers and wellness enthusiasts! Have you noticed the vibrant green beverage popping up everywhere lately? From cafes to kitchens, matcha is having a major moment. And for good reason. This isn't just a passing trend. Matcha offers a unique set of health benefits that have captured the attention of health-conscious individuals worldwide. Intrigued? Let's dive into the world of matcha and uncover what makes it so special. Matcha's story begins centuries ago, deeply intertwined with ancient traditions and reverence for nature's gifts. Originating in China and later embraced by Japan, matcha has long been cherished for its unique properties and cultural significance. More than just a drink, matcha represents a mindful practice, a connection to history, and a celebration of well-being. Today, this ancient elixir is experiencing a resurgence in popularity, captivating modern palates and aligning perfectly with the growing focus on health and wellness. But what exactly makes matcha different from your average cup of green tea? Stay tuned as we uncover the secrets behind this extraordinary green powder and discover how it can benefit your mind, body, and soul. Matcha's journey begins with Camellia sinensis, the same plant that gives us all varieties of tea. However, matcha's unique character emerges from its specialized cultivation and processing. Grown in shaded areas for several weeks before harvest, the tea plants concentrate chlorophyll and other nutrients, resulting in vibrant green leaves with an intensely sweet flavor. These precious leaves are then meticulously destemmed and deveined, leaving only the finest, most flavorful portion known as tencha. Unlike regular green tea where leaves are steeped and discarded, tencha undergoes a meticulous grinding process using traditional granite stone mills. The result? An exquisitely fine emerald green powder. This is matcha. Matcha's journey across Asia is as fascinating as its production. While its origins lie in China, matcha found a true home in Japan, carried there by Zen Buddhist monks in the 12th century. Recognizing its potential to enhance focus and promote a calm alertness, matcha became an integral part of their meditation practices. The monks' reverence for matcha extended beyond its consumption. They elevated it to an art form. Thus, the Japanese tea ceremony, chanoyu, was born. Chanoyu is a deeply ritualistic practice that celebrates the preparation, serving, and appreciation of matcha. It emphasizes harmony, respect, purity, and tranquility, values deeply entwined with the matcha experience. Now let's talk about why matcha has become so popular as an energy booster. We all know that caffeine can provide a quick pick-me-up, but matcha's energy secret lies in its unique combination of caffeine and L-theanine, an amino acid not commonly found in other caffeinated beverages. While the caffeine in matcha provides an energy lift, L-theanine works in harmony to promote a state of calm focus. Think of it as a balancing act. Caffeine stimulates, while L-theanine soothes. This synergy is what sets matcha apart, offering a sustained energy release without the jitters or crashes often associated with coffee. Unlike the rapid spike and crash of energy that often accompanies coffee, matcha provides a more balanced and sustained energy boost. When you drink coffee, you might feel an immediate surge of energy, but this is often followed by a sudden drop, leaving you feeling more tired than before. This phenomenon, known as the coffee crash, can be quite disruptive, especially if you rely on coffee to get through your day. Matcha, on the other hand, offers a different experience. The energy boost from matcha is more gradual and steady, allowing you to maintain your energy levels without the sudden dips. This makes matcha a more reliable source of energy, particularly for those who need to stay alert and focused for extended periods. This is due to the slower absorption of caffeine in matcha, which is attributed to the presence of L-theanine. L-theanine is an amino acid found in tea leaves, and it plays a crucial role in how matcha affects your body. When you consume matcha, the L-theanine works in tandem with the caffeine to create a unique effect. Instead of the caffeine being rapidly absorbed into your bloodstream, the L-theanine slows down this process. This slower absorption rate means that the caffeine is released more gradually, providing a more sustained energy boost. Additionally, L-theanine has been shown to promote relaxation and reduce stress, which can further enhance the overall experience of drinking matcha. L-theanine slows down the release of caffeine into the bloodstream, resulting in a gentler and more prolonged energy lift that can last for several hours. This prolonged energy lift is one of the key benefits of matcha, as it allows you to stay energized and focused for longer periods without the need for additional caffeine. Whether you're working on a complex project, studying for an exam, or simply trying to get through a busy day, the sustained energy from matcha can help you stay on track. Moreover, the calming effects of L-theanine can help you stay relaxed and focused, even in high-pressure situations. This combination of sustained energy and relaxation makes matcha an ideal choice for anyone looking to improve their productivity and overall well-being. This sustained energy release makes matcha an ideal choice for those seeking to power through their day without experiencing energy dips or crashes. Many people find that matcha helps them stay productive and focused throughout the day without the need for multiple cups of coffee. This can be particularly beneficial for those with demanding schedules, as it allows them to maintain their energy levels without the negative side effects associated with other sources of caffeine. Additionally, the sustained energy from matcha can help improve your overall mood and mental clarity, making it easier to tackle challenging tasks and stay motivated. Whether you're an athlete looking to enhance your performance, a student trying to stay focused during long study sessions, or a professional needing to stay sharp during important meetings, matcha can provide the support you need to succeed. Whether you're facing a demanding workday, tackling a challenging workout, or simply need a boost to stay focused and alert, matcha provides a natural and harmonious way to support your energy levels. The benefits of matcha go beyond just providing energy. Matcha is also rich in antioxidants, which can help protect your body from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants can support your overall health and well-being, making matcha a great addition to your daily routine. Furthermore, matcha has been shown to support metabolism and promote fat burning, making it a popular choice for those looking to maintain a healthy weight. The combination of sustained energy, relaxation, and health benefits makes matcha a versatile and valuable tool for anyone looking to improve their quality of life. So the next time you need a boost, consider reaching for a cup of matcha. Not only will it provide you with the energy you need, but it will also support your overall health and well-being in a natural and harmonious way. The process of preparing matcha can also be a mindful and calming ritual. The traditional method of whisking matcha powder with hot water using a bamboo whisk, known as a chasen, can be a meditative experience. This ritual allows you to take a moment to slow down and focus on the present, which can be a welcome break from the hustle and bustle of daily life. The act of preparing and enjoying matcha can become a cherished part of your daily routine, providing a sense of calm and relaxation. This mindful approach to drinking matcha can enhance its benefits, as it encourages you to be present and fully experience the moment. Whether you enjoy matcha as part of your morning routine, as an afternoon pick-me-up, or as a way to unwind in the evening, the ritual of preparing and drinking matcha can bring a sense of peace and tranquility to your day. Matcha can also be a social experience, bringing people together to share in its benefits. Whether you're hosting a matcha tea ceremony, sharing a cup of matcha with a friend, or introducing someone new to the world of matcha, this vibrant green tea can create connections and foster a sense of community. The shared experience of preparing and drinking matcha can be a bonding activity, allowing you to connect with others on a deeper level. This social aspect of matcha can enhance its overall appeal, making it not just a beverage but a way to bring people together and create meaningful moments. So, whether you're enjoying matcha alone or with others, it can be a source of joy, connection, and well-being. In addition to being enjoyed as a traditional tea, matcha can be incorporated into a variety of recipes, adding its unique flavor and health benefits to your favorite dishes. From matcha lattes and smoothies to matcha-infused desserts and savory dishes, the possibilities are endless. Experimenting with matcha in your cooking and baking can be a fun and creative way to enjoy its benefits. Whether you're making a matcha cheesecake, matcha cookies, or a matcha smoothie bowl, the vibrant green color and distinct flavor of matcha can elevate your culinary creations. Incorporating matcha into your diet can be a delicious and enjoyable way to support your health and well-being. The history of matcha is rich and fascinating, with its origins dating back to ancient China and Japan. Matcha has been used for centuries in traditional tea ceremonies and as a source of energy and focus for monks during meditation. Understanding the history and cultural significance of matcha can deepen your appreciation for this remarkable tea. Learning about the traditional methods of cultivating and preparing matcha can also enhance your experience, as it connects you to the long-standing traditions and practices that have been passed down through generations. By exploring the history and benefits of matcha, you can gain a greater understanding of its unique qualities and why it has been cherished for so long. Incorporating matcha into your daily routine can be a simple yet powerful way to enhance your overall well-being. Whether you start your day with a cup of matcha, enjoy it as an afternoon pick-me-up, or use it to unwind in the evening, matcha can provide a natural and sustained energy boost that supports your busy lifestyle. The calming effects of L-theanine combined with the gradual release of caffeine make matcha a unique and valuable addition to your daily routine. By making matcha a part of your life, you can experience its many benefits and enjoy a more balanced and energized day. In conclusion, the matcha advantage lies in its ability to provide a balanced and sustained energy boost thanks to the presence of L-theanine and the slower absorption of caffeine. This makes matcha an ideal choice for those seeking to maintain their energy levels without experiencing the rapid spikes and crashes associated with other sources of caffeine. Additionally, the calming effects of L-theanine, combined with the rich antioxidant content of matcha, make it a valuable tool for supporting overall health and well-being. Whether you're looking to improve your productivity, enhance your performance, or simply enjoy a moment of calm and relaxation, matcha offers a natural and harmonious way to support your energy levels and overall quality of life. So, the next time you need a boost, consider reaching for a cup of matcha and experience the many benefits it has to offer. Thank you for joining us on this journey to explore the matcha advantage. We hope you found this information helpful and inspiring. If you're new to matcha, we encourage you to give it a try and experience its unique benefits for yourself. And if you're already a matcha enthusiast, we hope this video has deepened your appreciation for this remarkable tea. Remember, matcha is more than just a beverage. It's a way to support your energy levels, enhance your well-being, and create meaningful moments in your daily life. So, go ahead and enjoy a cup of matcha and discover the many ways it can enrich your life. Until next time, stay energized and enjoy the matcha advantage. While the traditional preparation of matcha as a tea is a beautiful and meditative experience, the versatility of this green powder extends far beyond the teacup. Ready to unleash your inner culinary artist? Let's explore some creative and delicious ways to infuse your daily routine with the power of matcha. Start your day with a vibrant matcha smoothie. Blend a teaspoon or two of matcha powder with your favorite fruits, leafy greens, and a splash of almond milk or yogurt for a refreshing and energizing breakfast or snack. The possibilities are endless. Experiment with different flavor combinations to find your perfect blend. For a midday pick-me-up, treat yourself to a creamy matcha latte. Simply whisk a teaspoon of matcha powder with a small amount of hot water until frothy. Then add your choice of steamed milk, almond, coconut, or soy milk, all work beautifully. Sweeten lightly with honey or maple syrup if desired, and enjoy a moment of pure indulgence. Baking with matcha is another fantastic way to enjoy its unique flavor and health benefits. Add a teaspoon or two to your favorite cookie, cake, or muffin recipes for a delightful green hue and a subtle earthy sweetness. Matcha's vibrant color also makes it a stunning addition to frostings, glazes, and even savory dishes. As we've journeyed through the world of matcha, from its ancient origins to its modern-day resurgence, one thing has become abundantly clear. This vibrant green elixir is more than just a trendy drink. It's a gateway to a world of flavor, wellness, and mindful living. Whether you're seeking a natural and sustained energy boost, a moment of focused calm amidst the daily hustle, or simply a delicious and healthy addition to your diet, matcha offers a path to embrace a more vibrant and balanced you. So, why not embark on your own matcha adventure? Explore the nuances of this ancient beverage, experiment with different preparation methods and recipes, and discover the myriad ways matcha can enhance your daily life. From the quiet ritual of preparing a traditional cup of matcha tea to the creative joy of incorporating it into your favorite recipes, There's a world of possibilities waiting to be discovered. Embrace the green power of matcha and unlock a world of natural energy, focus, and well-being. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more insightful videos like this one. Until next time, stay vibrant,